On April 24th, several Denver police officers entered Rise Up Community School searching for a juvenile suspect connected to a shooting that happened the night before in Lakewood. But according to reports, none of the students seen in the footage were involved in the case. The tense interaction that followed was captured entirely on camera.
Here, man. Smoking.
What else are you doing?
Nothing.
Okay.
Is there a place called Rise Up over here?
Yeah.
Where's
What
that?
is it?
How do you get in?
Right there. In the back. Oh, in the front.
Through the Denver fire entrance thing?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so the entrance is on there, on the other side?
Yeah.
Okay, do you go there?
Yeah.
Okay, do you have an ID on you, bro?
You need a school ID or just
Yeah,
a regular
anything,
ID?
just anything, whatever you got.
What's the problem?
Somebody's calling on you, just acting suspicious, that's all.
I don't know about that, but I was just smoking and chilling.
Okay.
Probably somebody's just judging me, so
Maybe.
I don't know about that, but they need to stop that racist shit.
I don't know if it's all about that, but...
I'm just chilling. I'm minding my own business, you know? I was just standing
Yeah,
there,
we're just making sure.
Because my principal, he
Guys,
usually...
in reference to the call at the Rise Up, I spoke to Loretta. She is not there.
What's that?
No, my principal usually comes out here and just checks because, you know, there's kids smoking weed or dabs right here.
Oh, okay.
So, yeah.
That might be it, too.
Yeah.
All right.
I'm just chilling, so...
You're not smoking weed or
No,
anything,
this
so...
is,
yeah.
nicotine.
Vaping? Yeah. All right.
Y'all really parked just to walk? Hell no.
What's up, man?
What's up?
We're just trying to figure some things out.
It's alright. Y'all gotta park like this to figure something out?
Well, how else you want us to park?
At least on the side, let people drive by.
Nah. That's the one perk that we get now.
I don't know. I would offer y'all some pizza, but y'all kind of messed up my day now.
I didn't mean to do that. We were just...
We just what? Assuming.
No.
Y'all
Y'all
just assuming.
Not you.
You guys are just assuming.
I
You
want...
guys gonna walk in, my teacher gonna tell you they just left 10 minutes ago for what? So you guys gonna follow us?
Well, you're not going to listen to me, so I won't talk to you.
What is there to listen to?
He matches the description of somebody, okay?
You just told that to somebody 10 minutes ago, because I just talked to him.
Well, I don't know who you talked to.
All these talks because he matches the description.
Not you.
He matches the description?
Yeah. Red jacket is what we're looking for.
You see this shit?
Have you seen here today?
Yeah, he's been in class.
Is he here now, or did he split?
As far as I know, he's here now. He would either be... that's okay. He would either be up at lunch or just now going back to class.
Okay.
So, he and his brother both attend.
Here, can I help you?
Hey, how are you? Nice to meet you. I'm sorry,
Levi.
sir.
Hi,
Nice to meet you.
how can I help you?
We are looking to talk to one of your students.
Okay, can I ask who you're asking to speak to?
I'm sorry?
Can I ask who you're asking to speak to?
Sure, yeah.
It's
Okay. Okay, can you just hang out here for 1 second?
Well, hold on, sir.
Okay.
You're going to have to follow me.
Okay, I'm going to stand right here. Hey, Sarah. Okay, yeah, can you call Lucas? We can just wait here for the principal, that's fine.
Hey, how are you?
This is Lucas, our
Sorry,
principal.
sir.
Hey, how are you?
Good. We got to talk to a student here. We're pretty sure he's here, but if you need to tell us.
Yeah, let's have a few more.
Oh yeah, what's going on?
This is a wonderful question. I'm not sure.
Okay, so basically, I can't let you guys come in and pick him from the school. I can let him know that you're here, and then I can ask him if he wants to talk to you. But if he refuses, then I can't go get him and bring him to you. That's not to say that you can't get him after school hours or anything like that, but that's just our policy. In terms of, you know what I mean? Like in terms of, like so I can let him know, and then what I would say to him is, what I'll message to him is, you're always going to take care of these things sooner or later. You're just going to be on.
Two separate legal issues happening right here. First, When the officer approached this man outside and asked for his ID based on acting suspicious and a caller's description, that is a Terry stop, and it requires reasonable articulable suspicion tied to a specific person and specific behavior. A red jacket and a vague call barely meets that threshold, which is exactly why this man had every right to push back. Second, and this is critical, watch what the school administrator did. She told officers they cannot simply pull a student out of school. That is 100% legally correct. Under Fourth Amendment protections, a minor inside a school still has rights. Officers cannot remove a student for questioning without either parental consent, a warrant, or the student voluntarily agreeing to speak. That administrator protected that student's constitutional rights perfectly.
So you're confirming he's here, but you can't bring him to us? Is that what you're saying?
I'm not confirming or denying he's here. I'm just saying it's our policy that we wouldn't bring a student to you guys. So
You guys wanted for attempt homicide last night.
I get it. I mean, trust me, I get it. I'm just saying that, whatever the circumstance, that's just, it's always the way that we do it.
Do you have kids?
Yeah, so I'm not going to talk about my kids. I'm not going to talk about the
So if he shot at your kids, though, do you have the same policy?
So I'm just going to say that that's our policy. So you guys,
Could you
you
go
know
see
what I
if
mean?
he'll come down and talk to us?
Yeah, I mean, I'll see. I don't even know if he's in the building, to be honest with you.
Well, that other teacher pretty much implied that he's here. So
I don't know if he's here. So
I can go with you if you want, but it's
no,
up to
that's
you.
okay.
So do we want guys around the, I think more cars are coming.
no, they're not gonna cooperate. So
I mean, why can't we go?
We have to search the whole school at this point.
12 Adam, if we get any other cars coming, if they could just kind of keep an eye on their perimeter. The staff at the school is uncooperative, and they've implied he's here, but they're not cooperating with us. So there's a chance this guy's going to try and get out and exit.
Just let me know when you arrive on scene what corners of the building you're going to take.
You know what he's wearing? Is he wearing the same?
Yeah, red and white hoodie.
Clear.
Yeah, he's not.
He's not here.
Yeah. I mean that. Yeah. No, that's fine. Yeah. I mean, he's not here. He's not.
Live in Adam, watch me start that way. Where am I?
Yeah, I get the position you guys are in. He's not in the building.
Small 15, right? Head that way as well.
No. So.
Thank you.
Yep.
We just need to have the north side.
Is there like, do you guys have a card so when he shows back up, I can let him know like, hey, he's
Back
working.
is covered currently.
We're
You
looking for
have
you.
one
Just
worker in the back. You got 2 officers in the front on the Broadway side.
Right, that's what I mean. I mean, and that's the message that we give him too. I mean, it's the message that we always give our students, like, he's looking for you. Okay?
He's having a regular last night. He had to leave.
Okay.
610 big.
Yeah, let him know. Okay, cool. Thanks a lot. Take care.
Thanks, I appreciate it.
Alright, call
Just
this
clear
all,
it out
call
so we don't
property.
meet prematurely.
And 4 other lower priorities.
Just so you know, that other teacher,
Okay, great.
told me he's
I'm
here.
just monitoring that. Once we get it rebooted.
And then it was like he realized he made a mistake. Oh, wait, you're going to have to talk to the principal.
40 Adam. Roll call has broke. You can assign him a call. Small 15 NDT is kind of slow. Can you resend us the call? We're almost 6.
You say something like he was.
Yeah, the first teacher I talked to said he's here. And then the teacher, it was like he realized he screwed up. He's like, oh, he goes, well, actually, you're going to have to talk to my
And they
principal.
probably hit him up there.
Show you this picture, Adam.
I bet they hit him up there in a closet or something.
Yeah.
Until we leave.
Classes here since.
And anybody that was on scene with the staff members, how are they being uncooperative?
The other side was at 18th and Federal.
12 Adam. Upon initial contact, we had a teacher that verified that he was here, and then they changed their story and said we had to talk to the principal. Now the principal is denying us access to the school, denying us to look around, and now they're saying he's not here. We believe they're trying to hide him.
All 12 to the car comes down Broadway. I want you to hang a right and watch this right here for me.
Do we know if there's any other students inside?
So it's inside this building here?
Yeah, it's this one. Can you just hang here with him? I'm gonna grab my shotgun real quick.
Yeah.
If you don't mind just hanging here with him.
Yeah.
What am I doing? You can go in and get the keys to this.
Here is where the situation gets legally complex. The school's principal is refusing officers access to search for a student suspected of attempted homicide, and that refusal is completely within their legal rights. Under the Fourth Amendment, law enforcement cannot enter a private building without either a search warrant, consent from the property authority, or exigent circumstances proving immediate danger to life. A school principal is the legal authority of that building during school hours. Simply believing a suspect is inside does not give officers the right to walk in and search freely. The principal is not obstructing justice. She is correctly applying constitutional law. Without a warrant, those officers have zero legal authority to enter that building and remove anyone. Now listen carefully to what the officer says on the radio. Staff is being uncooperative. We believe they're hiding him. That framing is legally dangerous. Choosing not to cooperate with law enforcement is not a crime. It is a constitutional right protected under the Fourth and Fifth Amendments. A school refusing warrantless entry is not obstruction. It is lawful non-compliance. If officers genuinely believed a violent suspect was inside that building, the correct legal move was simple: call a judge, get an emergency warrant, and return with legal authority. Instead, they surrounded the building. That escalation without a warrant is exactly the kind of overreach that gets evidence thrown out in court.
6100, watch me grab 2342 Bravo. 12.
I'm coming behind you.
No one tried to be aggressive with the principal?
I have no idea.
Makes no sense.
No clue. No clue what's going on out there.
Okay, so Officer Lucero asked me where he should be.
Yeah.
I just went and took it. He should be in a classroom here. He's not there. So.
On this floor?
Yeah, there's only the two floors. So.
Which classroom? I mean, I'm not gonna go there yet, but if you don't know, you don't know.
No, I know what class. It's the only class on the right down this hallway. He's
all the way
not
down to
there.
the right? Okay.
Yeah, he's not there. So, well, all the way down on the right is a workshop.
But the classroom you're talking about is on the right-hand side?
Yes.
Okay.
674 Adam, we had one adult female teacher come out the back door, and Corporal Waldock's talking to her right now.
Come here. Come out this way. Talk to this. I assume you're a teacher?
Yeah, what are you doing?
Apparently there's a kid in there that's wanted by the Lakewood police for shooting someone.
674 Adam, we had one adult female teacher come out the back door, and Corporal Waldock is talking to her right now.
I was just coming out to check with them. I would like to go back inside.
It's
No, we got her. She's going to have access to get into the building from back here if we need to. Do you have access to get back in? Okay, so we may need you.
Please let me in.
Do you want her to go back in?
Nope. They just said not to. You may want to keep her off her phone. She's been on it nonstop since she came out. She's texting them. She's telling them where we're at, what we're doing.
So my name is Mike Eaton. I'm the Chief of the Department of Safety for Denver Public Schools. Okay. So I oversee all security and police operations for the district. So right now I want to talk to the principal and see if we can get the situation, remedied before we let anybody else. Are you guys in lockdown right now?
No, we're not. Well, not that we know of.
Okay.
I mean,
I think we're okay for right now.
Oh yeah, Molly's. Yeah,
Huh?
yeah. It's supposed to be Molly's class.
Okay, so can we just take a couple officers, just check, because they have to do verification. I have to verify that we don't have an armed suspect. So hold on, what class is he in?
what about these other?
Is he in there? Okay, hold on, or he's supposed to be in there. Okay, you hold on 1 second before you go in. How you guys want to do it? Okay, go ahead. All right.
Notice what just happened. Officers are now inside the school building without a warrant and without clear consent from the principal. But here is where the legal situation shifts slightly. The Denver Public Schools Chief of Safety arrived and began negotiating access. And when a school district's own security authority begins cooperating with law enforcement, that can constitute implied consent for entry. Under Mapp versus Ohio, any evidence obtained through unlawful search cannot be used in court. So every move these officers make inside that building right now, every room they enter, every person they question, needs to be legally justified. Because if a judge later determines that entry was unconstitutional, everything found inside becomes inadmissible. One wrong move here does not just lose the arrest, it loses the entire case. Now watch the teacher they stopped outside. Officers immediately noticed she was texting and decided to monitor her communications. Here is what every person needs to know about that. She has an absolute First Amendment right to communicate with anyone she chooses. Officers cannot legally confiscate her phone, stop her from texting, or punish her for warning people inside. Simply being present outside a school during a police operation does not suspend her constitutional rights. Detaining her or restricting her communication without probable cause of a specific crime would be an unlawful detention. The correct move was exactly what they did: observe her, note it on body camera, and let the court decide its relevance later.
This door, this one right here?
You guys know what he looks like?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
You on? You on?
Yeah.
Pretty clear.
That's fine.
Hi, guys.
Hi.
Trying to keep her off the phone.
Well, there's somebody we're looking for. We're going to just make sure they're not here.
Okay, I'll have her.
Get a look at your face real quick. All right. Thank you. Thanks, guys.
It's not you, Mark. It's Mary. It's Mary.
What's that?
He looks a little familiar. There, okay, right there. Yeah, picture.
Take off your hat for me, buddy. Stand up for me real quick. Yeah, there's a little resemblance. Yeah, probably. This guy has earrings, doesn't he?
Yeah, it's him.
Thanks, buddy. Thank you, all right? Thanks, guys. Not in there. I mean, by this point, he could be anywhere.
So, the first teacher that I talked to that said he was here implied that he was upstairs.
Okay.
She said that's because everybody was at lunch upstairs.
Okay.
And no one, I mean, several students came down, but I didn't see him come out. So, and then after we talked to the principal, he went straight upstairs. He immediately went upstairs, and then came down and said he's not here. So it never had anything to do with the classroom back there. So I just, for what it's worth, we may want to go check upstairs.
You guys want to check upstairs?
We would like to. Okay. Yeah, just to cover that base.
Katie? Yeah. Where is he? She's in the car.
Is there any other way down besides this stairway right here?
I'm not sure. Where is this the only stairwell you have in here?
No, we have a back stairwell.
You have a back stairwell as well? Okay.
We'll take the back.
All right, so why don't we get Beckford, why don't you go with one, why don't you go with the other?
Well, I'm not in the house.
Actually, why don't you guys hang here for a few minutes, okay? Hang right here.
Let me bring them into this
All right.
house. Excuse
Hey,
me.
John, you want to come up and we'll take a look upstairs?
Excuse me, sir.
Sure, no problem. Couple guys stand here. We'll start at this end and then move this way. Okay, very good. Yeah, I got a picture of it. We're just gonna have to, man. That's the best we can do at this point. All right, guys. We just need to take a look in the room real quick, okay?
Why?
We need to come in, man.
Excuse me,
Ma'am,
sir.
we need
I
to
don't
come in.
think you can put your hands on me.
No, we thought it was him earlier too.
Do you have a reason to be in this room?
We do, man.
Permission from the principal?
wanted in a shooting. Yes.
Sorry about inconveniencing you. We'll be done here in a minute, all right?
And the officer that pushed me out of the way, can I have his badge number?
Take it down.
What is that, Kojo?
Oh, yeah. Roof, maybe.
Hold it.
Yeah.
Is that latched?
There's
I see light coming.
There's a cord there that might lift it up, so. Hold on. The way she's been trying not to let me back here.
Ma'am, can I talk to you real quick? Can we do it right here at this threshold? Please? So there's a ladder that goes up. We're going to check that real quick.
Okay.
That piece of wood was placed in front of that. The ladder, was it like that before?
I don't know. Was the robotics course in front of the ladder earlier today?
Yeah, 12 acre. I'm on top of it.
Is there a chance he's up there?
A kid up on the roof? Were you in here for lunch?
Yeah, it was.
Did anyone go in the closet?
I was out for about 2 minutes.
So there's a chance that some random person you're looking for snuck in here in 10 minutes.
Oh, the door's locked usually?
Doors aren't locked in school.
How about this door right here?
Not usually.
Just let you know. I'll show you a picture of it. Have we told you who it is?
No?
All your homework first. You got the first watch, right?
That's what we're looking for.
Okay.
He shot at his ex-girlfriend last night and her
Okay.
brother
Okay.
in Lakewood. So he's wanted for homicide. So that's why we're here, okay?
Okay.
So they're putting the warrant together right now, looking for him. So if you know where he's at, we'd appreciate your cooperation.
Okay. Well, I think that you guys need to come back with a warrant, honestly.
We have the warrant, man. We just don't have a physical warrant. The Lakewood detectives has the warrant. She's on her way here right now.
Combination jackknife, screwdriver,
Well,
whistle.
you can see that that person is not in this room.
Right. My question is, do you know if he's up here?
I do not know if he is up there.
Okay, thank you.
Are you the person in charge here?
Yes.
So your officer that pushed me out of the way, can I have his badge number, please?
Mine and
Is that normal practice for Denver police?
I
to
didn't really
move
see
people
him
out of
push
the
you
way?
out the way. I saw him
Oh.
go by you.
Interesting.
Look at me. If he pushed you like that, that's something different. He didn't
Like
push
you
you.
can grab.
We have an officer going up on the airport. That's how there's on the air at 1300.
Yeah, 12 acre. I'm on top. I'll let you know.
12 acre, roof's check clear.
Roof's check clear.
Well, here at 1301.
I think he busted, because when we were all in the front, when we first came in, they had plenty of time yet to let, I mean, because the teacher took off that I was talking to, the principal came upstairs.
up on something.
Yeah, no.
Well, we can prove it was here, but not
I think you can go back in now.
Can I go in the front or the back? Or
Either way, whichever you prefer.
Okay, I'll just go.
This is where everything legally unravels for law enforcement. An officer physically moved a staff member out of the way, and that contact, however brief, could constitute unlawful battery under the Fourth Amendment. You cannot use physical force on a non-resisting civilian who is not under arrest and not obstructing a lawful search. The staff member immediately and correctly asked for that officer's badge number, which is an absolute legal right every citizen holds during any police encounter. And then, listen to what the lead officer admitted out loud on camera. "We have the warrant, we just don't have a physical warrant." That sentence is one of the most legally damaging things an officer can say during an active search. A warrant that has not been physically issued and presented is not a legally valid warrant. Under Groh versus Ramirez, conducting a search without a physically present warrant, regardless of whether one is being prepared, renders that entire search unconstitutional. And the roof check tells you everything about where this operation ended up. No suspect found, no weapon recovered, no arrest made, every room searched, every student questioned, every door opened. All of it happened without a single valid warrant physically in hand. That means every observation made inside that building is legally vulnerable to suppression in court. The suspect was gone long before officers ever made entry. Likely, the moment that first teacher sent a warning text. Which brings us back to the most important legal lesson of this entire incident. The school's initial refusal to grant entry without a warrant was not obstruction. It was the constitutionally correct call. And everything that happened after officers ignored that boundary proves exactly why that protection exists in the first place. No suspect, no arrest, no warrant in hand. Just a school full of students, a principal who knew the law better than the officers at her door, and a search that will face serious constitutional scrutiny in court. Here is the bottom line. The Fourth Amendment does not take a day off because the crime is serious. Warrants exist for a reason. Consent exists for a reason. And the moment law enforcement bypasses those protections, even chasing a violent suspect, they hand that suspect's defense attorney the strongest possible argument to walk him free. If this channel is teaching you how the law actually works in real time, hit subscribe right now. Because understanding your rights is not just interesting, it is the most powerful protection you will ever have.